Hello and welcome to Cloud Fox Hub. My name is Bhavesh Adara. In this video, we are going to talk about SNS chipset. You may have proper knowledge of SNS, but answering question in exam is altogether different game. You have to find out some keywords from the question, and based on these keywords, you can give answer. And this is actually the smartest way to answer questions in exam. And that's why I'm going to provide you all the keywords and related answer in this video. Let's start. First of all, let's say that the topic is core, pub, sub, and fan out. Now here, we have to find out keywords from the question. Keywords are like multiple consumer, same message to many, event distribution, real-time notification. If you found these keywords in the question, answer would be use Amazon SNS fan out architecture. If the keywords are like broadcast message, parallel processing, microservices communication, then the answer would be SNS topic with multiple subscribers. Okay. Same way, we have some keywords related to the push-based communication. No polling, instant delivery, event trigger, real-time system. If we are getting these keywords in the question, the answer is most likely SNS push-based messaging. Then we have questions related to SNS versus SQS as well. So this is always confusing, like when we can choose SNS and when we can choose SQS, right? So here we have keywords. If keyword is fan out, notify multiple system, and we want real-time communication, then the answer would be SNS. If the keyword is buffer messages, retry, store messages, then the answer would be SQS, right? Now, we are also going to get questions related SNS plus SQS integration. Okay, so if the question is related to SNS plus SQS integration, here we have keyword fan out plus durability, multiple queues, decouple services, then the answer is SNS SQS integration. We have some questions related to SNS subscribers or endpoint as well. So email notification, SMS alert, HTTP webhook, Lambda trigger. If you are getting these keywords in the question, the answer would be SNS supports multiple protocol. Filtering. Filtering is very important. So send message selectively, region-based filtering, event type filtering. Even in the example, I use this event type filtering, right? So answer is SNS subscription filter policy. Message attributes. Keywords, metadata in message, key value pair, useful filtering. Answer is message attributes. Now, questions related to FIFO topic. Keywords, strict order, no duplicates, financial systems. You have to find out these type of keywords from the question, and if you are getting it, means the answer is most likely to be SNS FIFO topic. .FIFO required, message group, deduplication, again SNS FIFO configuration. Now, I'm going to give you final detail.
Thanks for watching. To continue learning AWS with structured lessons, real labs, practice tests, and live sessions with Bhavesh Atara, join our full course at www.cloudfoxhub.com. For any help, call 982-575-7737. All course details are provided in the description.